Hello everyone. This is Basenji Zulu, who is laying here in the chair comfortably, and we just wanted to say hello to you today. We hope you're having a great day, and if you're not, we hope that this beautiful face will help make your day a little bit better. For the new subscribers who have just joined us recently, you might not know Zulu yet. She and her brother are both 6 years old, and they love to just lay around when they're not playing. But hey, we wanted to say welcome if you are new around here. And for those who aren't, I know you look forward to seeing Zinja and Zulu, so this video is just a little bit of Zulu. Look at those eyes. Yeah, she's just laying here, resting. I think I woke her up. Yeah, she loves being petted. Anyway, just a short video. Hopefully makes your day a little bit brighter. Just a moment of peaceful quiet here with the Basenji. Right, Zulu? Right? Yeah. All right. Have a great day, everybody. Say bye-bye, Zulu. Bye.